Welcome, welcome. Ya, pakai guys.
Your team is banning.
Ya, jam 7.
Please ban a hero.
Meski ku bukan bintang di langit. Bisa ada yang pakai Zusin.
The enemy is picking.
Wah, Zusinnya keambil.
My magic
Repot
flows
sih.
as freely as
Your
the
team
wind.
is picking.
Butterfly is born by thy wish, guided by lantern's light.
It's not every day you see such a handsome
enemy is
dragon
picking.
tamer like me.
For honor! Ebsa! Sanjo!
Please pick a hero.
Angela.
Love and hope are the two greatest affections.
Counter dari Sky Piercer. Item foto. Welcome. Dingin banget.
I am the
Fists
moonlight
are our
that breaks through the
blueprint.
darkness. Is picking.
Gas lah Anabi.
Hana, Sancho.
MVP Zusin. Bitang Gaming.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Let's go.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Kita bantuin dulu kali ya.
Wait for me.
Keep on smiling. It's important. Ha! Pipa.
Bisa Twitter gitu.
Since my puppet is tangled up, can you
Apa lo ayah?
Slain an enemy.
Ada Aldos. Kita zoning guys. Zoning.
Problems?
Udah zoning dia, biar nggak ini dia. Mati dia. Nice. Nah, sorry dah.
Abracadabra! Keep smiling! It's my job to help.
Mati dia.
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat. Gather up the turtle. Request backup. You have been slain.
Benar. Dingin kali.
Gather up the turtle.
Stay cheerful.
GG. Ulti nggak sih? Udah ulti ya?
Slain.
Stay in a good mood every day.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Pipa pipa.
Request backup.
Dingin.
Doctor calls me his little angel.
Kita tungguin Mia di sini ya.
I can't fly.
Nice, kedua.
Launch attack. Unstoppable. Understood.
I can do all the chores.
Request backup. Backup.
Kemana aja bro? Mati lagi Tigril. Angkat ya bro.
Double kill.
Jago nih si Zusin nih. Jangan sampai ketemu player kayak gini tuh. Jangan sampai ketemu deh player kayak gini. Player jago terbaru.
Legendary.
Salah nabrak ya. Ya ampun salah nabrak ya. Gue kira nabrak si ini loh, si siapa? Link. Nabraknya tok sono dia.
Understood.
Aman aja, aman. Di sini dia nih.
I can do all the chores
Oh tukar, dia tukar.
except cook.
Pada nafsu banget sama si Zusin bro.
Stop staring at me. Yes, that's the next problem.
Nih Zusin.
Legendary double kill. Destroy the turret.
Tarik. Hai. Aduh mati tuh. Ditarik ke Gatot ya.
Sorry. Your team destroyed a turret. Gather at the turtle. Okay.
Tes. Masuk.
Stop smiling. It's important.
Buset Gatot gua. Buset cok, gue udah masukin si Gatot cok. Buset. Sini, gue TB-in. Gue TB-in bro. Skill 2 gak sih? Balik lagi dia, oh enggak. Dingin kali. Gas. Maniak. Enggak mani. Cok. Balik. Buset. Masukin dia.
I can do all the chores.
Let's go. Capek gak sih?
Staring at me.
Capek gak sih? Kagak dikasih capek bro. Ya kagak dikasih. Nggak dikasih guys.
Victory!
Cah.
7 lewat setengah 8. Setengah 8. Kalau Anda sih.
Your team is banning. Your team is banning. Please pick a hero.
Worry no more. Your hero
The enemy
has
is
come to
picking.
the rescue.
Halo bang. Halo Alfianza.
Only love and night are everlasting.
Let them play the hero.
Your
I
team
will be
is
the truth this world desperately needs. This time, the choice is mine.
Ini Gatot lagi loh. Tadi juga Gatot. Apa sama orangnya?
Need some stitches? I can help.
I do what I
Your
want
team
to
is
do.
picking.
I do.
Welcome to the greatest magic show of all time.
Light me up and watch the world
Enemy is
burn!
Waduh, Harley lagi. Dirot.
I will protect you.
Loli. Oh jadinya dia siapa, Melissa. Dayuh Kolot itu di mana tuh? Indonesia ya, tapi benderanya Swedia. Boleh ikutan main gak nih? Waduh, lagi solo ini.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Lagi
Smash them.
solo kita.
All troops deployed.
Light.
Launch attack.
Show them light. Tough enemies I don't fear. Dumb allies.
Gasin Lolita gas yang ada.
Crumble into dust.
Pas nggak sih bro? Sabar, skill 2 cooldown.
Launch attack.
Mati dia, fix.
Blood.
Ambil, jangan diambil kita bro.
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Heretics. How daring of them to utter
Oh,
that word.
kelut katanya. Jangan nafsu lah, sabar aja.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Struggle is meaningless.
Attack the turtle.
Ngapain dia skill 2 bro?
Request backup.
Will it come first?
An ally has slain the turtle.
Ngapain dia skill 2?
Launch attack.
The enchantments are beckoning. Higher ups,
Balik.
just a bunch of hypocrites. To where the path started.
Launch attack. Push first. Enemy missing.
It took me 10 years to see the truth.
Oh, flicker dia.
Push first. Request backup.
One day, you'll stop searching for someone to blame. shines upon
Iya lo si ini Gatot teh jago bro. Gigi Gatot teh guys.
just a tiny break.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Nah solo turtle kan dia? Enggak deh, harusnya enggak deh. Sama si itu dia sama Dirot dia.
No disguise can fool my eyes.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Mystic magic. Funny how they label things they don't understand.
Mati dia.
Initiate retreat.
Ravens. How obnoxious. Combust.
Launch attack.
Light shows
Halo.
no mercy.
Gas sudah keluar ini dia.
Come closer.
Aduh kena combo gua.
The show continues.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dia udah ada item. Udah.
Heretics. How dare combust.
Launch attack.
Aduh.
Slain the turtle. Killing spree.
Dikit banget di roadnya bro. Asis dia. Asis nggak gua? Waduh nggak asis lagi.
To be reborn again. Combust.
Your team destroyed the turtle.
Mystic magic. Funny how they label things they don't understand. Combust.
Mega kill. Ally has been slain. Double kill.
Atuh takut.
It took me 10 years to see the truth. Combust.
Takut.
Our turret has been
Gak bisa sih emang jebol nih bandnya.
Light forever shines upon my cloak. To where the path stops.
Our
Tough enemies, I combust. They will atone for what they did.
Ngelord dia.
How intriguing. One day, you'll stop searching for something pathetic.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Balik.
Launch
How dare
attack.
you vanish above that word.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Jangan terlalu ini nggak sih bro?
How obnoxious.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has
Life shows no mercy. Combust.
been free. Initiate retreat.
Higher up.
Team
Dia pikir gue pengen skill ini kali. Dia pikir gue mau skill 2 kali ya atau skill 1. Enggak bro. Bro pikir mau skill 1 gue mantul. Enggak lah.
request backup.
Mystic magic.
Our turret is under attack.
They don't understand.
Request backup. Launch attack. Our turret is under attack.
They will atone for what they did. One way or another.
Santai jaga jarak. Kosong depan tuh.
It took me 10 years to see.
Hilang semua bro. Waduh musuh jago nih.
Missing. Request backup.
One day, you'll stop searching for someone to blame.
Ally has been slain. Unstoppable.
Mati dia. Udah rata. Nggak bisa end tapi agak ada minion. Nah, pihak lawan mengakui guys. Kumaha iya.
Victory.
Kumaha iya. kumaha ieu dia kalau mengakui kekalahan. Lu main XP aja lah.
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero.
Zeus ini nih enak buat roaming kagak ya? Kayaknya bisa buat roaming dah dia. Cuma harus jarak banget ya mainnya ya.
The enemy is picking.
Hope will find a way,
Your
even
team
when
is
all is
picking.
forlorn.
Apa gue main Franco ya?
Destroy and conquer.
Biarin aja lah. Estes.
Hello, my friend.
The enemy is picking.
It is better to be feared than loved, if you cannot both.
Let them play the hero.
Your
I will
team
be
is
the truth this world desperately
Gue tadi Isla dah.
needs.
Sniper ready. Give me a target. The enemy is picking.
Teris lah.
Of imprisonment.
Waduh, Leslie lagi lama jadinya bro. Kalau Leslie bro.
Chivalry is dead. And I
Halo, halo Bang Iyas.
You should be ashamed for not trusting yourself. Your team is picking.
Kita kurang damage ini. Kurang damage, kurang tebel.
allow me the honor of introducing the royal matador.
Wah, Eudoranya ini ya. Eudoranya roaming. Terisla itu masih pakai ini gak ya? Blood Ash. Blood Apex. Apa udah nggak make dia?
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Di sini gue pakai War
5
X sih.
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Entahlah ngikutin build siapa ini.
All troops deployed.
Blood Ash udah mana sih Blood Ash? Blood Ash udah kagak ada bro.
Who stole the blueprints? Passed down by 1,000.
Udah gue brute force langsung dah. Mana ada blood as udah nggak ada ya?
It's just a moment away.
Ini baru sadar gue.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. First blood. You have slain an attack.
Understood.
Shrouded in darkness.
Wait.
How can I go?
Buset,
Sorry.
buset ya, dia rame ya.
Light to darkness.
Nggak dapat 4 dong gua.
Slain the turtle. You have slain an enemy.
Kagak dapat 4 tadi gua, guys. Baru pengen nge-cut gua.
Enemy double kill.
Aman aja, aman. Nggak dapat 4 juga gua.
Prince passed down by 1,000 generations.
Ally has been slain.
In darkness. History has long forgotten.
Launch attack. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Revenge has consumed me.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
How can
Wah, kena jebak gua. Nafsu kali gua, bah.
history
Launch attack.
has long forgotten me?
Launch attack. Ally slain the turtle. Launch initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Shut down. Request backup.
Light to darkness. It's just a moment away.
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Kita ke bawah, let's go.
Request backup. Rampage. You have slain an enemy. Request backup.
Revenge has consumed me.
Mati dia.
Killing spree.
Yuzong kagak bisa ulti tadi guys, kelihatan tuh. Kita push tower dulu dah.
Launch attack. Request backup.
Revenge has
Request backup.
light to
Your
darkness.
team destroyed the turret. Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Request attack. Sorry. An ally has slain the turtle. Ult is not ready.
Sampai gak sih kagak ada ulti gua bro.
Request backup. Mega kill. Has been slain.
Nggak ada ulti gua.
Ult is not ready. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Balik.
My head hurts.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Keep an eye on the map.
Sabar ya, gua apa namanya, dorong dulu, dorong.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Stole the blueprint.
Mega kill.
Down by 1,000 generations.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
How can I go back?
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Who stole the blueprints? Passed down by 1,000 generations.
Sakit. Leslie udah sakit ya.
Hurts.
Destroy the turret. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Aman aja. Halo, welcome.
Request attack.
Light to darkness
Lord.
is just a moment away.
Gather up the Lord. Understood.
Lordnya nggak sih?
Launch attack.
Siapa dapat?
Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat.
Hurts.
Our turret is under attack.
Siapa dapat tower? Tower Lord.
History.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Satu hit lagi tuh. Blunder ya dari si Lesti ya.
Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Shut down. Request backup.
Ini belakang lu.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Blunder dari Leslie.
Initiate retreat. I'll take the bow.
Light to darkness is just a moment away.
Launch attack. Slain.
In darkness.
Battle spell is ready.
My head hurts. Should be enshrouded in darkness.
Sorry. Gather up the Lord. Launch backup. Request backup. Request backup.
Stole the blueprint.
You have slain an enemy.
Revenge has consumed.
Slain Lord. Shut down. Double kill.
Can burn.
Killing spree. Launch attack. Launch attack. Mega kill. Double
Yalah, yalah, yalah.
request backup.
Lord tuh dapat dia lagi, bro.
Light to darkness.
Request backup. Monster kill.
Orang gua kuat ya.
Request backup.
Aduh, kenapa ini Lordnya nggak dapet?
Initiate retreat.
Passed down by 1,000 generations. My head hurts. The world should be enshrouded in darkness.
Sabar guys, jangan balik dulu.
Revenge has consumed me. Light to darkness.
Lihat mah puy. Gue balik dulu, sabar. Gak ada mana. Sabar lah, kagak ada mana gue tadi.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Aduh, nggak kena lagi guys. Aduh, nggak kena kambing.
Our turret is under attack.
Masa ya comeback guys?
Our turret has been destroyed.
Dia war kagak ada gua mulu loh.
Slain. Gather up the Lord. Battle spell in play. Attack the Lord. Back. Your turret is under attack. Has slain Lord. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Gua kira Dora di rumput kiri guys.
Should be enshrouded in darkness.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Backup.
Sakit kali, Wak.
Stole the blueprints, passed down by 1,000 generations.
Turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
My head hurts.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Launch attack.
How can I go back?
Buset tuh. Alah, masa ya comeback guys? Aduh,
Gather up the Lord.
maginya nggak main banget ini. 379.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Under attack.
Jangan zongnya tadi kan buka MM.
Request backup.
Stole the blueprints,
Biarin lah.
passed down by 1,000 generations.
Aduh, cheat banget loh. Nggak main banget si Zaxnya cuy. Nggak ada yang mau split. Kita nggak ada hero split push. Dia ada clean. Clean ini berani dia split. Gue mau nebein, gimana nebeinnya gue bro? Gue ikut war, atasnya di push, bawahnya di push. Giliran gue war udah pada rata. Aduh, pusing. Gue main mid lah. Halo, welcome.
Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
Ya Xavier gue.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
I'm a moonlight.
The falling stars brought us here.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
The enemy
KDR yang tadi ya. Cek far.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Demons shall bathe in their blood. The light belongs to the righteous.
Duh, Alucard lagi.
I am a daughter of Northern Vale.
Your
I
team
swear
is
to
picking.
protect it till my last breath.
Hope are the two greatest inventions.
Kita pakai build yang ini dulu ya. Fair ya. Duh, dua ini kah? Berarti Alucard ya? Iya benar Alu. Freya kayaknya menang deh ini. Halo Bang, halo Muhammad Nasrul.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
I'll return the favor to the stars.
Stargazing is not lonely in Eruditio. By the will of the stars.
First blood.
Get lost in the stardust.
Pasti dia biru dulu.
Enemy missing. Enemy missing.
Come to me. The paths of life are not in the stars, but beneath our feet.
Kemana itu dia?
Enemy missing.
On my fingertips.
Enemy missing.
Come to me.
Initiate retreat. Sorry. An enemy has been slain.
Aduh, nggak kena.
Come to me.
Dih, kok nggak kena sih? Aneh banget loh, kenapa nggak kena tadi tuh, Miss? Ambil biar 4 loh.
Shining on the outside.
Nggak 4 ya.
Yet dark within.
Attack the turtle. Initiate retreat.
See the past. What I want, however, is to reshape the future. Behold the stars.
Nggak ada flicker gua. Buset, linglung. Kita lihat di sini Mas, linglung.
Slain. The enemy has slain the turtle. Sorry. Good game.
Rain of stars. Come to me. Rain of stars.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy missing. Sorry. Initiate retreat.
Rain of stars. Celestial revelation.
Kemana itu groknya?
Shine for me.
Come on, Ling, tunjukkan pesonamu, Ling. Aduh.
Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Enemy substitute. Sorry. Initiate retreat.
Shine for me.
Bisa mati nih, guys.
Come to me. Stellar confinement.
Wah, kurang damage. Coba pakai Sky Piercer mati tuh.
Gets to make their own path.
Initiate retreat. Enemy has been slain. Attack the turtle.
Rain of stars.
Sorry.
Groknya kemana sih? Oh tuh dia tuh, hilang-hilang mulu dia.
The stars come to me. Come to me. An enemy has not slain. Ally has been slain. Meet your end. Come to me. Come to me. Shine for me. Slain the turtle.
Nyangkut dia guys.
Launch attack under attack. Flare. Celestial revelation. Shine for me. Slain an enemy. Go back.
Nah Sky Piercer itu ya. Baru les abang. Dari tadi sih udah berapa game ini?
Rain of stars.
Duh mati dia guys. Halo bang, halo Dopox Gaming. Wah mati gua. Leslie.
Under attack. Back to the embrace of the night sky. An enemy has been slain. Shine for me. The stargazers only see the past. Come to me. Launch attack. Slain an enemy.
Ini gue TB-in. Aduh gue TB-in malah gue mati coy.
Initiate retreat.
Ngeri banget ya si ini ya, Alucard ya. Ih masih mati loh. Leslie.
Time to look for new possibilities. The stars see all, but they never care. Stargazing is not lonely in Eurydicio. A stellar confinement. Get lost in the stardust. Shine for me. Rain of stars. Rain of stars.
Awas Leslie weh.
Come to me. Destroy the turret. Initiate. Shine for me. Enemy missing. Unstoppable.
Flicker dia anjir.
Rain of stars. Rain of stars. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Ya ampun gak kena.
It's destined. Initiate retreat. Not ready. The enemy has slain Lord.
Rain of stars! By the will of the stars. Shine for me! Stellar confinement. A kind of blueness, boundlessness, devoured me. Alone,
Gila lu lihat itu damage-nya bro.
get lost in the stardust.
Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
Damage-nya nggak ngotak bro.
My home has long gone with those stars. Shine for me!
Turret is under attack. Nature end. Our turret has been destroyed.
Shine for me!
Our turret has been destroyed. Free.
Anjay, sakit banget bro. Semangat bang, terima kasih EGCH. Sakit banget di Spare Peter udah jadi tuh.
Mega kill.
Apa sih Alucardnya? Aduh. Lagi cok, lost track cok. Naik turun. Gue udah ngambil itunya sih. Udah gua klaim cuy. Aduh ada yang mid lane lagi. Gue rom coy. Di gol itu.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Alah deh gue roaming deh. Deh lu biarin mid aja lo. Ngalah kita guys.
The enemy is picking.
Welcome to the greatest magic show of all
Your
time!
team is picking.
Frankie kali ya. Dia apa dia?
Let's play together.
Love the smell of gunpowder in the morning. Night falls. Let's the
HC ini kah? HC roaming tadi ya?
pain is the proof that I'm still alive.
Ini udah sejam 23. First game sih tadi enak banget ya.
Make some noise for
Dapat decision yang jago.
Two of my
Enemy is picking.
Aduh, alpha lagi.
Your team is picking.
Thorns remain. Should petals
Gila di PD-in coy. Assassin coy. Tapi emang enak sih Assassin sih. Ayolah kasih menang lah Muntun. 2 kali kalah, 1 kali menang ya. Menang pas make Angela doang tadi gua. 2 menang. 2 menang 2 kalah. Ini kalau gue balik layarnya kebalik gak ya? Oh enggak. Yaudah gue main terbaliknya dah.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Malah ketutup ya ini ya. Malah ketutup cuy. Bolongannya malah ketutup. Lah itunya mid lane loh. Nggak kenal lagi. Come on lah, masa nggak kena sih hook gua nih? Kenapa nih mode balo itu ya?
one shot, one kill.
Flicker dia 122.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Ayo Cang bisa Cang dia nggak ada flicker ya.
Great play! Launch attack!
Real fighter never runs.
Attack the turtle lane! Initiate
Balik dulu dah.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
One shot, one kill.
Initiate retreat!
Gue kira hari ini mau ke merah. Aduh, sekali nggak ngeliat gua. 3-2-2 belum ada flicker tuh dia. Nice Cici, nice one. Alah, kepencet gua. Aduh, gua jelek banget nih gameplay gua nih. Kenapa lah dipancing-pancing gini gua? Brodinya hilang. Udah sini lah bro. Aduh. Ada mamang, ada mamang. Mamang tolongin gua, mamang. Mamang. Nice. Jelek kali nih hook gua nih. Nice. Gas sih. Sabar.
One shot, one kill.
Yang ada itu jelek banget nih dan dia. Nice. Let's go Bruno, ambil. Gelo, lagi dalam keadaan gelap guys, gue tarik. Udah balik nih, hook gue nih. Mabar bang, waduh lagi solo dulu nih gue nih. Lagi lost track gue solo juga. Hilang tuh. Halo bang, halo Rifan. Ini jelek kali main gue nih. Oh, ke atas dia.
Launch attack. Request backup.
Aduh, kena semua dah.
Real fire never runs.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
One kill.
Kenapa gua si kambing ini? Nggak apa-apa guys.
Launch attack.
Aman aja ke gua, nggak apa-apa. Ya Bruno nya jangan ngelag. Gasin nggak sih tuh? Onslaught kedua ser.
Enemy has been slain.
Gotta teach you some
Launch
rules.
attack. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Ult is ready.
One shot, one kill.
Wah, kena HBD dia. Oh, nggak jadi.
Ally has been
Waduh, kena culik bro.
mega kill. Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
Real fire never runs.
Nah itu Bruno nya ya. Ya ampun. Gua kira si ini guys. Si Kang E.
Initiate retreat.
Gotta teach you some rules, cuz.
Balik lagi ke satu dia. Oh enggak.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed the turret.
One shot, one kill. Teach you guys a lesson.
Anjir nggak kena brodinya.
Real fire never runs.
Launch attack. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been launch attack.
One shot.
Under attack. An enemy has been slain.
Panas panas.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Aman cuy.
Initiate retreat. Monster kill.
Cukup gue jagainnya dari sini guys.
Attack.
A real fire never runs.
Team destroyed.
Wah kena HBD kan.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Dia kombonya gitu ya, gelap langsung ulti.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Initiate retreat. Our turret
Nah, panik lu.
Teach you guys a lesson.
initiate retreat.
One shot, one kill.
Gather up the Lord.
Dah,
Initiate retreat. Under attack.
A real fighter never runs.
Enemy request backup.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Slain. Request backup.
oke, santai.
Backup.
Karet betul itu. Nice. Aduh, nggak kena guys. Sabar nggak sih?
Wait for me. Wait for me. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Gonna teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat. Killing spree.
Gonna teach you some rules.
Killing spree.
Itu dia ya guys ya. Bisa nih comeback ini, aman aja.
Request backup.
Set HBD 2 orang bro.
Mega kill. Initiate retreat. Mega kill. Launch attack. Request initiate
Real
retreat.
fighter never runs.
Request backup.
Nice, rata dia, rata. Kok Bruno kagak ada rasa ya?
Destroy the turret. Initiate retreat.
Bruno kagak ada mana itu. Balik.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Kok Bruno kagak ada rasa Bruno? Pistolnya nggak sih Bruno?
Initiate retreat.
Real fighter never runs.
Initiate retreat.
Kan gue bilang ya ada Lord.
We're ahead in gold. Well played.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Down. Initiate retreat. Okay. Attack the Lord. Initiate retreat.
One shot, one kill.
Enemy has slain Lord.
Udah disuruh mundur.
Initiate retreat. Understood.
Kena core-nya dia udah.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Masih bisa kita tahan guys. Kena core-nya dia guys. Nggak apa-apa gue mati mah.
Initiate
Bruno kagak ada rasanya banget ya. Jangan makin Malefic Gun gak sih guys, Bruno? Nah lu, Cici malah ke itu ngapain tuh? Malah ke bayangan dia.
Our base is under attack.
One shot, one kill.
Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed.
Real fighter never runs.
Tuh tadi kena sama gue Brody, kalau enggak habis udah guys, tamat kita guys. Bismillah.
Initiate retreat.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Bruno beli inian aja nggak sih Bruno? Kagak ada rasa cok. Pistol nggak sih Bruno?
Launch attack.
Group for battle. Don't solo push.
Request backup. Gather at the Lord. Launch attack.
Gotta teach you some rules, cubs.
Ya kan. Aduh, nggak jelas cuy. Aduh, pusing kali nih pagi ini cok, solonya cok. Bruno keculik lu, ngapain ya? Bruno terakhir keculik, kagak ada damage dia. Itu 82.000, 8.000 damage ke turret dia. Oh, Lancelot nggak pernah nge-push dia. %23 doang cu damage-nya Bruno. Aduh, ya wes lah, paling gue lanjut solo kali guys ya. Terima kasih buat yang udah nonton ya adik-adik. Sorry banget ya kalau gameplaynya jelek, kalau ada salah-salah kata, sorry banget ya. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya adik-adik. Bye bye.